Hello and welcome. I'm Jennifer, your safety trainer here with today's lesson, Excavator Safe Operation. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Excavators are a type of earth-moving equipment that can move a massive amount of dirt in a short period of time. They can also cause serious injury if not handled correctly. So it is important to follow all safety guidelines while operating one. This lesson will cover general safety rules and what to do when trenching, digging, climbing, and descending hills. Although this lesson won't cover every aspect of an excavator, it is helpful to at least know the general safety rules that will be guiding principles as you operate safely. First, know that the operator has full responsibility of the excavator at all times. To reduce the chance of an injury either to yourself or others, the following safe work practices are recommended. Always buckle the seatbelt before starting the engine. You'll want to scan the area to make sure that no one is in the intended path. Double check that the control pattern is set to the desired mode and that all levers are performing their indicated task. Select a route that is as flat as possible when driving and slow down when going over rough terrain. To clean the bucket, do not strike it against the ground or another object. Make small and gradual changes to turn. Never allow riders anywhere on the excavator or bucket. Do not operate the excavator from anywhere other than the seat. Carry the bucket low to increase stability and visibility.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.